Hey guys, it's your boy Blackrue back with another video. Before I get started, cue Indigo Saint.
Let's get it. Indigo Saint in the building. Blackrue Investing. Let's go.
Who's this producer? Best believe I was Blackrue Investing. With your money, you ain't gotta be guessing. Profits is what we manifesting. So we binge on that Blackrue Investing. Best believe I was Blackrue Investing. Got course in this race, we ain't resting. We got stocks, we got crypto with a blessing. So thank God for that Blackrue Investing. Best believe I was Blackrue Investing.
My man Indigo. So what's up guys? You can find me on the Gentleman of Crypto YouTube. You can find me on the Benzinga YouTube. Information for that will be below in the description. Today we're just going to review Metaverse Coins. So let's get into it. So Metaverse Coins. I think we should review them because if we look at the price of Bitcoin right now, it's pretty low. I think it's going to get under 17 here in November or in December, or, excuse me, in October, November area. Um, I think we're just headed for that. So yeah, so that's where I think we're headed, and a lot of these Metaverse coins are sitting at a really good level. And you say, okay, Blackrue though, will the Metaverse ever be big? I'm going to say yes. And the reason why I'm going to say yes is because the people over at the World Economic Forum, they are pushing Metaverse heavy. If you go over to their site, it says future topics. Climate change and Metaverse is one of those topics. And just in case you guys are not aware, come on over to the channel here. Me and Underdog Crypto, we did some, excuse me, that's the wrong one. We did a live stream on the Metaverse. Okay, I'm on the wrong stuff right here. Uh, so I'll wait for that to come up. So yeah, so the World Economic Forum, they have old school money behind them. So anything they're pushing is going to be a thing. It just is going to be a thing, regardless of whether you think what you think about them. I know their leader Klaus Schwab said, "You'll own nothing and be happy." And the metaverse may be one of the things where you will pretty much own nothing and be happy. Maybe that was one of the things he was referring to, because all the metaverse stuff is digital, but it's not really tangible. So you own nothing and be happy, right? Um, so that doesn't preclude us from betting on the crypto, not betting on them, but owning them and getting money from it because we know they're going to be a big thing, right? Again, here did this live stream with Underdog Crypto, and he's going by Underdog Research now, and the professor uh, just got his doctorate, so it's Dr. Imfan Akpan. So definitely check this out, guys, on my channel. But yeah, so here I want to look at three main coins. Okay, let's look at the Sandbox, the Decentraland, and CeEk. Okay, so if we look at the Sandbox, if you look at this guy, I was really surprised to see that this boy was at $8.04 in the height of the bull market. So you better believe the next bull market, with the World Economic Forum pumping and pushing it, is going to be above $8. But again, you may say, Blackrue, Ruell, why do you think that the World Economic Forum will push the Sandbox specifically? And I would say to you that LCX, member of the World Economic Forum, and Sandbox have already collaborated on something this year. So, like a couple weeks ago, September 6th, 2022, Sandbox and LCX had 5 alpha passes give away to their season 3 of Sandbox. Okay, so they're already pushing the Sandbox, right? And it was something of a mystery and a wonder, like, okay, how did Sandbox just come and pass the Central End with all these people behind them, right? The reason why they did that is because they had the World Economic Forum money behind them, pushing them, right? So if we come over here and look at the map, they have people like Warner Brothers Music Group here. They have Snoop Dogg over here. The Sandbox. Okay, the map is a little frozen right now. We'll just refresh it here. So the Sandbox has huge names behind it, right? So that's something we really want to look at, because if they have huge names like that behind them, chances are that they're really going to go someplace, right? So for whatever reason, that did not come up. So let's go back over there and let's go map. Okay, so while that map's going up, we're gonna go move over to, and here we go, Alpha Season 3. The same thing that um same thing that LCX was giving out passes to. So look, big groups: Care Bears, Steve Aoki, Atari. It's huge. Warner Brothers Music Group, like I was saying, Bored Ape, of course. So yeah, just huge stuff there in the metaverse. So there's the Sandbox, right? Now next we have one that I'm really high on. Okay, Boson Protocol is one I'm high on as well, but we're gonna go over CeeK. We won't cover Boson this time. Maybe we'll save Boson for another video. Come over here and look at CeeK, sitting at 15 cents, y'all. Such a deal. This one was as high as $1.14. Your boy was in this at about like 2 cents. Rode it all the way to $1 and took some profits. But you know, ready to get back on this train, boy. Um, you know, CeeK, I've brought them up before on the channel. They got big people like, they just got the game. The game was on here. I don't know how to get back to that view. But yeah, the game's on here. Of course, Demi Lovato. Okay, here we go. The game, right? So, yeah, we got Demi Lovato. We got Ringo Starr. We got Ziggy Marley. We got huge bunch of African rappers. I always forget my man's name. We got John Bon Jovi, the pretty beautiful Demi Lovato here, Randy Zuckerberg, Mark Zuckerberg's sister, Lady Gaga. So we got tons and tons of stars here, and they have the land here also. Now the CeeK land, I know you can purchase it, but I had trouble logging in, and see here it's telling me to get my MetaMask. For whatever reason, it won't let me log in with my Google or my Facebook or whatever. Um, but they have really cool stuff on the map. I saw like they had an arena, they had an esports place on here. Total, a lot of different things. I might have to see if I can sign in here another day. As you can see, they got a town center, they have a concert hall, they have an esports, all of this different stuff. And you can see things, certain things under here are available. I think the ones that are available, they have in the green there. They have in the green. So pretty cool, pretty cool. And the coolest part about it is once they start their whole concerts, just like we've seen from Sandbox, how they got the Warner Brothers Music Group and everything in here. You can see CeeK has the ability to start concerts because they have Lady Gaga, The Game, Ringo Starr, all these people attached. So they have the ability to do that if they want to. So that's going to be huge. Now we look at Decentraland. Decentraland is the OG. It's the first guy that's kind of started it, but at this point, in my view, they're behind. They're behind CeeK. They're behind the Sandbox. They were as high as $5, and if you look at it here, that's almost an 8x, because 6 times 10 is $6.95, so it's like almost like an 8x from where it is right now. But when we think about the whole World Economic Forum and the World Economic Forum connections, Facebook Meta is connected to the World Economic Forum. If you come over here on the Metaverse page on the World Economic Forum, they have Facebook insignias in here. Their Facebook's logo, or Meta's logo, I should say, right over here. Y'all just gonna have to see that because I'm not accepting their cookies. And yeah, so they're big on the metaverse. So anything that has a little Facebook Meta connection, you can kind of assume, or anything that has a LCX connection, you can assume that's connected to the World Economic Forum. Just like CeeK here again has Randy Zuckerberg, Mark Zuckerberg's sister. They're also going to have their own Oculus headsets. NBA players like Derrick Rose have been seen wearing their headsets. So yeah, it's just huge. It's huge. And this is ran by an African woman, Mary Spayo. She's just blowing it up. So those are the top 3: CeeK, CeeK, Decentraland, and Sandbox. And sorry about that, guys. And catch me next week, guys. I'm sure we may go over the other ones, but I'm definitely going to give out a list to my patrons. So yeah, if the Patreon is something you're interested in, it'll be in the description. And thank you guys so much for watching. Check out some of my past videos over here. And again, thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a good one. Peace.